Assalamualaikum beautiful people, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Welcome to your channel Cook with Komal. So today we are going to make egg biryani, and this is going to be really yummy and delicious recipe. So first of all, here I'm taking 6 eggs which is boiled and peeled off, half cup of yogurt, 3 tablespoons of chili paste, 3 medium size of tomatoes which is finely chopped, 1 bunch of mint leaves, 1 bunch of coriander leaves. Here I've taken some ingredients that I've grinded. So here I've taken 5 green cardamom, 1 nutmeg and 1 mace, and I've grinded these. So here I've taken 1.5 tablespoon of roasted and crushed, it's roughly crushed coriander seeds, dry coriander. It's roughly crushed. As you can, we don't have to make it a fine powder. So here I'm taking 2 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1.5 tablespoon of cumin, it's also roughly crushed, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of allspice powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, and 5 to 6 dried plums. So firstly we will fry the eggs. Our oil is enough hot. I'm gonna add the eggs one by one. Now after 2 minutes, flip it, and now I'm gonna add the boiled potatoes. It's fried and boiled. So now if you don't have any boiled potatoes, so you can also add the raw potatoes and fry this with the egg. But if you boil it and then start cooking it, so you can save your time. That's it. Now I'm gonna add the green chili paste. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We will roast it. Now I'm gonna add the ginger garlic paste. Now I'm gonna add the brown onions. Now we will roast it. You don't saute it too much because the eggs can break. So now I'm gonna add the cumin powder, roughly crushed cumin, turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, allspice powder, roughly crushed coriander. Mix it. So now after 1 minute, I'm gonna add this tomatoes. Mix it. I'm gonna add the salt, 1 teaspoon of salt or salt to taste. So now I'm gonna add the plums. So now here in the yogurt we will add the coriander leaves, mint leaves. Mix it. Now I'm gonna add the grinded spices, 1 pinch of food color. Mix it. So now it's mixed. Now I'm gonna add this in the curry. now we will spread it. After spreading it, I'm gonna add the rice, boiled rice. So now on the top of it we will sprinkle some brown onions. So now in the last I'm gonna add the 1 teaspoon of Kioda essence. So now in the last we will simmer it for 5 minutes on the lowest flame. Transfer your container on a hot plate and simmer it on the low flame. We'll mix it and it's ready to serve. Now I'm gonna dish it out. So now our egg biryani is complete. If you like our recipe, so let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. Must try this at home. It's really awesome and delicious recipe, and it really tastes so good. So I hope you guys like this recipe. If you did, hit the like button and do comment and share. We'll meet you in another video with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.